Hey there, do you want to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? Well, let me introduce you to a little gem called sinking funds. No, it's not about ships. It's all about saving money for specific purposes. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a sinking fund? Think of it as a dedicated savings account. You put money aside regularly for something you know you'll need in the future. This could be anything, from a new car to a vacation or even holiday gifts. Sounds pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. Let's say you want to go on a $1,200 vacation next year. Instead of stressing out and scrambling for cash, you start a sinking fund. Divide that $1,200 by 12 months and bam, you save $100 a month. By the time your vacation rolls around, you've got the cash ready to go, guilt-free and debt-free. Now, why should you bother with sinking funds? Simple. They make large expenses manageable. You avoid dipping into your emergency fund or racking up credit card debt. Plus, there's something super satisfying about watching your savings grow. It's like you're setting yourself up for success, one small step at a time. Okay, let's talk about some common sinking funds you might want to consider. Think car repairs, home maintenance, medical expenses, and even fun stuff like concerts and gadgets. The key is to identify your goals and figure out how much you need to save each month. Pro tip: open separate accounts for each fund to keep things organized. Trust me, it's a game changer. You might be wondering, how do I start? Don't worry, it's easy. First, list out your upcoming expenses and their costs. Next, determine your timeline. Finally, divide the total amount by the number of months until you need the money. Boom, you've got your monthly savings target. Set up automatic transfers to make it effortless. Remember, financial freedom isn't about having tons of money. It's about making smart choices. Sinking funds help you take control of your finances, reduce stress, and achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start your sinking fund today and watch your dreams become reality. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time.